Hey everybody, it's Debra from Timeless Jewel by Debra. Well, welcome to our August collab. Can you believe summer is almost over? Yay, I love fall, so pumpkin spice girl here. So I hope you are enjoying. So I'm just going to go down the list of who came before me and who is after me. So we had Lindsay Clark kicking us off, then we had Chere, we had Pat, we had Carol, Camille, then me, and after me is Suzie Lou, and then we have Stephanie, we have Christina, we have Misty, we have HHH, Janet and Brynne, and we have Jamie. So this is so much fun. Everyone's doing different things. I am doing an older thread-up box. This is when I ordered I received it 3/25 of 24. Phoenix, Arizona. I had to dig to find a Phoenix box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this and let's see what we got. So I hope you guys are all well. So let me know in the comments, you guys. Are you pumpkin spice people or no? I know some people love pumpkin spice, some people hate it, and that's okay. No judgment here. All right, and so if you are going to be interested in any of the items I showed today, you can email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com, and I will let you know. All right, here's my receipt. So March 20th of 2024. Hey, bag, but no air pillows, but tape on the bottom. All right. I'm going to move you guys down. We're supposed to get 15 items in this. So let's go ahead and count them. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Well, it looks like we got some Kendra Scotts and some Kate Spades, so that is great. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take everything out, get the information for you, give you guys pricing, and I will be right back. All right, so let's get into what I received. Well, interesting for sure. Many duplicates. I'm going to move you guys over. So the first piece we pulled out is J. Crew. It is 6.5 inches. It's gold tone. It looks like it's in really nice condition. You could add an extender to make it a little bit larger, but it is a nice little piece. For this J. Crew, it fits a 6.5 on the bracelet mandrel. We can do $8 for that one. Okay, then we got, I'm going to move you guys down a little bit. There we go. Then we got this really cute stretch bracelet. This is Amazonite, and this is lava. Let me bring that up so you guys can see that. It's by C&P, and this is matte. A lot of the times they will shine it, but they left it in the matte form. It is really cute. We will go ahead and do that for $5. Love those colors. All right, guess what? We got another one. So this is also by C&P. So what we have here is either howlite or marble. And then again, we have the lava. You can put scents on that and on your pressure point. So it is cute. It is a stretchy bracelet. We will go ahead and do that for $5. Next up, we got Plunder. This is a very brushed gold tone and hammered with a pink faceted beads stretch bracelet. Let me bring this up so you guys can see that. There you go. It is supposed to look like it has been worn a lot. This is Plunder. We'll go ahead and do $5 for that. Guess what, you guys? We got another Plunder. So this is cute. This is the first time I've gotten this style in Plunder, but there you can see it, Plunder. And these are faux drusies in an off-white. It is magnetic, which is great. Easier on, easier off. It is a pretty piece. On this plunder, it measures in at 7 3/4 inches on the bracelet mandrel, and we can do $6 on this plunder. But guess what? We got another plunder. I think they kind of must have done an order or something, because I got a lot of duplicates. So this is really pretty. I love this, the black and white and gray. They are in excellent condition. This is plunder. This one is called Lisbeth, and it's a marbled bead. It is gray and white. It's 7 3/4 inches, and we can do $6 on that one. All right. So then we got a plunder. This is a little globe. It's cute. It is in an antiqued brass tone chain. This plunder necklace measures in anywhere from 18 to 20 inches, and we can do $3 for that. All right. Then, guess what? It's not a plunder. Just kidding. All right, this next piece is Stella and Dot. I'm going to show you the end. So these are marble, and it's got such a beautiful design. And then you've got the long chain. You've got a nice extender. Let me bring this chain up so you can see that. It's in beautiful condition. This Stella and Dot measures in at 26 to 28 inches. And I'm calling this the quill necklace. We can do that for $8. Super cute. Super cute. All right. Then we've got a beautiful Brynne necklace. Go ahead and lay this down for you. So I love Brynne. You can usually spot it in the crowd when you see it, not only because of that bee, but just the way their clasps are and their chains. I love it. This is a very long chain. So then we come down to this beautiful design. You have got blue and silver tone. Then here you have almost a rose gold and blue, like a London blue color. And then here you've got the clear with the blue as well. This is a beautiful, beautiful necklace. It measures in from 34 to 36 inches. Beautiful Brynne, excellent condition. We can go ahead and do this one for $25. Very nice. All right. Then we got the Kate Spade. Let me go ahead and hold it like that so you can see it. It is in nice condition. There is a little wear on the inside. This is called the Best Friend Ever. It is gold tone. It measures 7 3/4 on the bracelet mandrel. And we can do this one for $15. All right. Then we did get another Kate Spade. This one did come in a bag. These are precious. I'm going to move you guys down. These are beautiful. So they are gold tone with green and glitter. Just absolutely lovely. Wouldn't these look nice at this holiday season? Even fall. Oh, hey. Also in March too, right? So these are round. They are gold tone studs. They do come with a bag. I'm going to go ahead and do $12 for the Kate Spade. Super pretty. All right. It's Groundhog Day, you guys. Okay, just kidding. So here we have got a Kendra Scott. So I get this necklace a lot. So you have got tassels here. You've got mother of pearl, really long chain. The chain is in good condition. The tassel has some wear. Let me go ahead and bring this up so you can see that lovely piece. So there you can see the wear. It is a really pretty piece. That one we can do $15. Oh, and it is 30 to 32 inches, including your extender. So this one we'll just do for $15 since it has some wear on it. So Kendra Scott number 1. Does that tell you anything? All right. Kendra Scott number 2. I wasn't kidding when I said they sent me duplicates. So here is that same necklace. This one is in much better condition. The gold tone is beautiful. The chain is beautiful. And this one is in like a bronze tone. It is absolutely precious. The first time I've gotten this color, I really love it. So on this one, it is also 30 to 32 inches. And this one we can do for 25. It's lovely. I love that. Perfect for fall. All right. Then we got a huge Kendra Scott bag with a tiny pair of earrings. So these are their Tessa, T-E-S-S-A, iridescent druzy earrings. They are a gold tone. Really lovely earrings. We can go ahead and do the Tessa with the bag. Let me put them in there. We can do that for 20. All right, and my last piece for the bag was another bag with these lovely, lovely new Kendra Scott earrings. These are in, I would call them a violet. You can kind of see that. They are beautiful. They're called Maize, M-A-I-Z-E. They are beautiful. They are in silver tone. They still have a tag. They are absolutely lovely earrings. These ones we can do for 25. I think we're going to have a little bit of time, so I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite items. All right, so most of you guys know I love amber. Well, this is one of my favorite pieces. I think I have two of these. One I kept for myself. It is just lovely. It is sterling silver. You've got your vermeil there. Then you've got your beautiful bee, and this glows so lovely. And let me go ahead and show it on here. That's what it looks like. So I do have one available. If you guys are interested in the bee, you can always email me. I want to double check to make sure that I still have another one for sale, but it is lovely. So while we're on with the bees, let me go ahead and show you guys this ring. Okay, so this is also amber. So you have got a ring. Isn't that lovely? It is nice because this is adjustable. I do know that I have two of these rings available. Let me go ahead and move my arm out here so you can kind of get an idea of how large they are. These are pieces that people will comment on. But I do have these available. And I do a Saturday live sale. And I show anything from costume jewelry to pieces like that. All right, so this is one of my favorite pieces that I have received lately. I do have a pendant like this and a bracelet as well. So this is Ethiopian Wellow Opal. You've got 4 luscious opals. Then you have all this beautiful rhodolite garnet. It is in rose gold. This one is a size 7. I do have, I think I have this in a 9, but I know I have another 7. So this is some of the items that I gravitate to when I am out sourcing. I do love the more vavavoom pieces like this. You know, it's lovely. So that's another one. All right, and then we've got this piece. So this is absolutely stunning. So this is also in a rose gold. So you have Ethiopian Wellow opals, and this one has mixed gemstones on it. So you have got garnet here. You have chrome diopside. Oops. Bring that up. We have zircon here. We have tanzanite, and this one is lovely. I think this one is a 7. Let me go ahead and check on my bracelet mandrel, or my ring mandrel. Yes, it is a size 7. So I do have a few of these around, and I may have it in a larger size, but like I said, you guys can always email me. These are more of just a show and tell. Now, I bought this for myself. I might sell it. I don't know. So I am a January baby. Garnet is my birthstone. This is garnet. This is called Savorite Garnet. I absolutely love this piece. This one is also got moissanite, and it is 4 carats total weight. So Savorite Garnet, it is a beautiful green color. I absolutely love, love, love this piece. So I may eventually sell it. I am not positive, but those are just a few of the really cool pieces that I have gotten in lately. And so if you guys ever want to come and hang out on a Saturday, we show everything from costume to va-va-boom pieces. So all right, and if you ever are looking for anything in particular, you can email me and say, hey, I'm looking for this. I do buying for different people that say, hey, I need an opal ring like this, or I need an amber piece like this, and if I can find it, I will try to find it for them. So all right, you guys, so we are so excited that you could hang out with us for this jewelry collab. It's been too long, and don't forget that after me, we have Suzie coming up from Dragonfly Beez, and I will have all the information right down below with all the other beautiful creators in our group doing this sale and show and tell. And then if you have missed any, there will be clickable links in the description so you can do it. And if you are interested in any of those thread up pieces out of that 15-piece box, email me at timewithjewelbydebra@gmail.com. And I tell you, I was surprised to how many Kendra Scotts came in there and the blenders. I was like, what? That's why I said it felt like Groundhog Day. So, all right, you guys, will you take care of yourselves, be well, and as always, tell someone you love them today. It's really important. And I will see you guys later. Don't forget, go to Suzie's. Bye, you guys. Bye.